McLaren Engineering Group worked alongside landscape architects St. Gross to design and build a floating wetland in Baltimore's Inner Harbor for the client, the National Aquarium in Baltimore. This project initially began in 2016 with the intent to create a modern urban waterfront with a floating wetland located in the waterway between Piers 3 and 4. Being the first independent, low freeboard, adjustable buoyancy system, the project was downsized to a prototype scale in order to study the survivability of plant life, the environmental effects, and the functionality of the floating platform. The prototype was deployed in 2017 as a 15-foot by 20-foot fiber-grate platform anchored to two sets of existing guide pipe piles. The high-density polyethylene pontoons are attached to the underside of the platform, and the buoyancy of the system can be adjusted by pumping air into or out of the pontoons from a control box located on the pier. The plants are planted in PET material atop the fibergrate platform and stacked to various levels. To complete the wetland, a small stream was created through the middle of the wetland, with airlifts installed to circulate the water. Air diffusers were also attached to the pier and under the prototype to increase the oxygen content of the water. After 6 years, the prototype is thriving, with plant life returning each season and improved water quality in the vicinity of the wetland. Various lessons were learned along the way, such as the need to keep geese off the wetland and a new design for the anchoring system to avoid the system binding on the piles if the tilt of the wetland significantly increases. With these and more lessons learned, the full-scale floating wetland was designed and is currently in construction. A few changes to the system include smaller 8-foot by 12-foot framing modules pin connected at the corners to provide the system rigidity against the weight of the wetland, but flexibility to move with environmental conditions such as waves. The system remains pile-supported, with pile collars integrated into the framing system. A floating dock abreast the wetland will serve as an educational space for aquarium goers to feel immersed in nature and learn from presentations. The wetland will be installed in spring of 2024.